This is May 5th, 2019. This is a short video on the operation of a Hydropure SPS 200 machine in Karachali, Azerbaijan. The process starts here in the oil pond. Just pumping the sludge now. This is through a locally sourced gear pump. It's quite old actually, but it does the job here. The pump pumps the sludge from the pond into this first tank, which has heating coils in it. And we heat the sludge up to about 130 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit to liquefy it and make it easy to pump. The sludge then flows out of this tank into a filter box, where it's then transferred to a diaphragm pump to one of these two other tanks. And these are our process tanks. This is what we feed the centrifuge with. These tanks are heated with thermal fluid from this thermal fluid heater. The oil flows through this manifold, and we can adjust the amount of fluid going to each tank, thereby controlling its temperature. The heat source is this 4.5 million BTU thermal fluid heater. This heats up the thermal oil coming back from the tanks. Goes through this burner coil system. Comes out here and flows back to the tanks. Here we have the back side of the tanks. This is where we feed the centrifuge. This is the heated sludge that's been filtered. It comes through this pump. We inject a chemical into it. They call it, here it's a reagent, but it's actually an emulsion breaker. The sludge then flows down this long heat exchanger. This is actually a 2-inch pipe inside of a 4-inch pipe. The sludge flows inside the 2-inch pipe, and the thermal fluid flows in between the two pipes, thereby creating a heat exchanger. And this is the thermal fluid going to the heat exchanger. The heated sludge comes over to the centrifuge, and here we inject a polymer that helps the solids fall out. So this unit right here actually mixes the water with the polymer, activates it, and then it flows from here to this pump up into the centrifuge. This is our three-phase centrifuge operating. Here we have the water coming out of the centrifuge. Then we have the finished oil. This oil is greater than 99% pure. And here we have the diaphragm pump that pumps the oil and water from the system. And this is the air compressor that provides air for all the pumps. We have all the electrical switch gear here. This is all fabricated in America, in Texas. Control panel, hydraulic unit. This is the main centrifuge. This is a backup centrifuge we have. It's a smaller unit. And over here, coming out, are the solids, the solid cake. Bit wet today. We just started operation about 2 hours ago. So usually in the day it's a little wet in the early time, and as it gets later on the day, as the temperatures reach optimum